Me look at the world today, so much noise, so much fire, so much pain. But truth no scream, truth whisper. You just need to listen beneath the smoke. City light blind the stars at night. People chase fame, forget your life. Them talk loud, but hear no sound. Them build high, but lose the ground. Me sit quiet in the corner low. Let the earth burn, let me spirit grow. Me no need talk, me no need fame. Me find your peace inside the flame. Every puff reveal, every breath remind. You can't hide truth from the mind. Beneath the smoke, me see it clear. Jah whisper, child, no fear. You beneath the smoke, Jah light still shine. Through the struggle, through the time. Beneath the smoke, me find my soul. Lost in the world, but still whole. Beneath the smoke, my spirit strong. Even when everything feel wrong. Beneath the smoke, my heart stay true. Just still live in me and you. Me see war on screen, lying speech, but truth no need to preach. A living smile in the old man eyes, in the child that never lied. Me see system build wall and chain, but Jaren still wash the stain. Me see kings fall, me see fool rise, but smoke reveal what lie in the sky. Smoke moves slow, truth flow deep, heart still beat while the world sleep. Me no rush that time, me just wait. Faith no late, faith just great. Me light the fire when the night feel cold, and hear my story never told. When me gone, me hope them see peace no live in money or degree. You live in love and rhythm and hope. In the place beneath the smoke, beneath the smoke, Jah light still shine. Through the struggle, through the time. Beneath the smoke, me find my soul. Lost in the world, but still whole. Beneath the smoke, me heart stay true. Just still live in me and you. Beneath the smoke, just still live in me and you. Still live in me and you. So when the fire burn too high and the world can't see the sky, remember, calm your mind and look beneath the smoke. Beneath the smoke.
Long before the city, before the wire and light, there was only the drum and the heart of man beating beside it. That's where me come from, that's where me return. Me hear the drum through my father's hand, echo of life across the land. Before me learn word, me learn sound, and that's how my spirit found. Me see my mother swear with grace, firelight dance on her face. She on my tune, me feel the earth, and Jah remind drum no fade, it only I. Deep in the bones where soul reside. When me feel lost, me close my eyes and hear Jah call through the sky. The drum of ages beat again, tell the story of where we've been. Drum of ages, slow and deep, wake the children from Babylon's sleep. Drum of ages, echo true, carry the love that ancestors knew. Drum of ages, sound divine, keep the fire in the bloodline. Missy you'd forget the sound, trade the roots for the underground. Them chest noise, not harmony. Them lose your voice in technology. But me still beat me hand on clay, still feel the sun, still pray. Cause when the drum talk, Jah near. No fear, no doubt, no tear. Drum call me, wind hum low. Earth reply, spirit flow. Me play the drum for the ones before, them who build this ground, them who open door. The rhythm no old, the rhythm no die. It live in the wave, the seed, the sky. Every tick of time, me hear it still. Every breath me take, Jah will. So when me gone, me sound remain. Drum of ages call me name. Nine drum of ages beat again, tell the story of where we've been. Drum of ages, strong and true, carry the fire that live in you. Drum of ages never fade, sound of creation Jah made. When me no longer walk the ground, you will still hear that sound. It's in the heart of every child, beating soft, pure and wild. So keep it playing, and Jah will smile. When darkness fall, me no tremble, for me know Jah light never stumble. It live inside, not up above, a fire of faith, a flame of love. Me wake with the sun for me face, feel Jah breath, me heart embrace. Every day me walk, me see sign, Jah hand still moving time. Me no rich, me no poor, me just live. Me take what Jah choose to give. Every struggle, every fight, bring me closer to the light. Them talk loud about power and gold, but the real strength live in soul. You can't buy peace, you can't buy grace. Jah dwell in a humble place. The light of Jah shining on me heart, guide me way when the world fall apart. Light of Jah, calm and strong, keep me spirit where it belongs. Light of Jah, eternal flame, wash me sorrow, burn me shame. Light of Jah, clear and true, me live and die in you. Me see the youth lost in the street, eyes no shine, soul no beat. Me
tell them softly, turn inside. The truth no hide, it only by. Me no perfect, me make mistake, but your love never break. Me fall down, me rise again, like this sun after rain. Light no show, light just glow. Move inside, make faith grow. In the silence, your voice clear. Say my son, me always near. Light of Jah, shining on me heart. Guide me way when the world fall apart. Light of Jah, calm and kind. Heal the wounds of my mind. Light of Jah, strong and pure. Faith forever sure. Light of Jah. Me see the elder close him eyes, whisper thanks before he rise. Me feel same peace, me feel same flame. Me know Jah call me name, so me sing this tune till my breath expire. Keep Jah love my one desire, and when me gone, me hope them say He walk Jah light every day. My light of Jah, shining on me heart. Guide me way when the world fall apart. Light of Jah, calm and kind. Heal the wounds of my mind. Light of Jah, strong and pure. Faith forever sure. Light of Jah. When me close my eyes at last, me see Jah light in every path. No fear, no cry, no lie, just peace beneath the sky.
On the valley, I see the world sleeping, but my spirit awake. The lion don't roar for fame, he roared to remind the forest who he is. I walk alone where the mist still dance. With Jah light in my heart, I take my chance. The mountain call, the drum reply. The sound of truth never die. I've seen the weak turn strong, the strong fall down. Seen smiles fade and kings lose crown. But every storm, every scar, every test bring a deeper peace inside my chest. The river know where it's meant to flow. The roots know where the truth still grow. The fire burns slow but never low. That's the way of the lion's soul. Lion in the mist, I move in silence. Heart of peace but eyes of defiance. No chain can hold what Jah create. No fear can change your righteous fate. Lion in the mist, I walk alone, but every step resound like a drum of stone. Through the fog, through the fire, through the rain, still I rise again and again and again. Oh, lion in again. Yeah, I've heard the cry of the city's pain, the lost youth running wild again. They chase illusion, they drink their dream, but forget that wisdom grow in between. I've seen mothers pray and fathers fall, the system building higher walls. Still the hurt sing deep unseen, a song of love beneath the machine. Misty road, heavy soul, still the fire keep me whole. Wind of truth blow slow, let Babylon tremble below.
promise no chain can hold what Jah create. No fear can change a righteous road. No, the lion in the mist I walk alone, but every step resound like a drum of stone. Through the fog, through the fire, through the rain, still I rise again and again. When the morning comes and the mist follows, you'll see me standing calm and slow. Not a king of gold, not a man of fame, just a lion who remembered your name. See like, 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 see like. Yeah, we've been through storm and smoke, through love and loss. But before me go, sing one last song for the soul. Me take me seat, guitar in hand, no stage, no band, just the sound of the sea, and you're watching me. Fingers slow, but still strong, me all along. Every chord we play tonight feel right. Me no sing for name or gold, just story told. Me no sing for man or crown, just we pass it down. One last song, the truth me give, oh me live. One last song, my roots, my flame, still the same. One last song, me heart, me show, let them know. One last song, me blues, me grace, time me rain. Oh, yeah, yeah.
one flame. Me give thanks for pain and joy, for every song me imply. Now me close me eyes slow, let it go.
Smoke rise, stars gleam, me dream.
Call it redemption ground. Yeah, I've been the sinner, I've been the saint. I've seen my joy and my soul's restraint. I've built dreams out of broken stone, learned to dance even when alone. I've heard my name in the whispers of pain, felt the blood of time run through my vein. Every tear I shed become a seed, and from the dirt, Jah plant my creed. The fire burn, but the roots survive. Every scar remind me I'm alive. You can chain my hands, but not my mind, cause Jah truth is what I find. On redemption ground I stand tall, hear the drum of life, I fear no fall. The storm may come, but I'll be found, walking proud on redemption ground. Smoke rise slow, around, I breathe Jah name, I hear that sound. Every soul that lost will be found here on redemption ground. Yeah, I've seen lovers fade like the morning dew, watch brothers lie when the truth was due. But even in lies the lesson grow, and in the dark the real ones glow. I've sat alone with my thoughts at night, fought my demons, made peace with fight. Every bruise a verse, every wound a rhyme, singing louder through the hands of time. Let the bass speak, let the soul rest, let the smoke tell what words suppress. No preacher, no crowd, no king in gold can buy the peace of a spirit old. Now I walk slow through the valley's heart, each step a prayer, each breath a start. The fire's come, the fear's gone down, the earth my bed, my soul my crown. Children listen when the elders talk, wisdom ain't taught, it's in the walk. And when my song reached the final sound, they'll know I stood on redemption ground. I stand tall, hear the drum of life, I fear no fall. The storm may come, but I'll be found, walking proud on redemption ground.
to plant your tomorrow. Every pain, every loss is just Jah teaching you.
Just means I teach you how to stand when the world push you low. Remember, even the sunrise slow. I've been to the valley, me feel the pain. Me cry in silence, me walk through rain. Me lose friends, me lose my way, but just still whisper you gon' be okay. Me see the night swallow the flame, but me call Jah and he call me name. Every scar me wear become light, every fall me take become sight. You can break the man but not the soul. You can shake the tree but not the roots roll. Jah give me strength, me no pretend. For every end me rise again. May you rise again from the dust and pain. Let Jah love wash like rain. Rise again, no chain can bind me. Spirit free, me heart aligned. Rise again, no mountain high. Message our light, fill the sky. Rise again, my soul reborn. Bless the fire, bless the storm. Me remember the youth me used to be. Eyes full of dream, wild and free. Me fall in trap of Babylon lie, but truth pull me when me cry. Me walk through doubt, me walk through fear. Still Jah hold me spirit near. Every loss me face, me gain new sight. Darkness just teach me to love light. I'll rise again,
Rise again,
rise again,
rise again,
rise again,
rise again,
rise again, rise again, 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 rise again. Fire burn, but me remain. Rise again, Jah guide me through the pain. Me tell you them, don't you stop. Even if the system make you drop, fade no fade when hearts stay pure. Jah promise always sure. No crown of gold, no man of fame can match Jah eternal flame. Me no walk alone, me no pretend. Every fall me take, me rise again. I rise again from the dust and pain. Let Jah love wash like rain. Rise again, strong and true. Every scar me walk it through. Rise again, the spirit fly. Me and Jah eye to eye, oh. Yeah, fault and time.
rise again,
Rise 11.
rise again,
That's how Jah measure heaven.
rise again,
Keep your heart clean,
rise again,
your soul plain.
rise again,
And every time
rise again.
you'll rise again.
see them you'd run faster, chasing the light but forget the flame. The tree can't grow tall if the root no feel the rain. I'm born from a seed of struggle and grace, grow through pain, still keep my pace. Time was rough, the road was long, but me learn how to turn pain to song. Me see the world change face by face, but truth still live in a humble place. No man can buy your time, no chain can stop your rhyme. So me tell the youth them listen, don't race the earth, don't hurry to find her place. Grow slow, grow wise, grow kind. Let Jah guide the roots of your mind. Yes, our roots of tomorrow grow from today. Plant them deep where faith can stay. Roots of tomorrow strong and free. Carry Jah love across the sea. Roots of tomorrow fire and rain. Bless the joy, purify the pain. Roots of tomorrow one and sound. Keep your feet on holy ground, yeah. Me see the youth chase gold and fame, but lose them soul in the wicked game. Them scroll through life but forget to live. Them talk of love but forget to give. Me no blame, me just show the way. Tell them patience still rule the day. You can't rush peace, can't fake truth. It grows slow like the wisdom of youth. Roots no fear the wind, roots just hold the earth. When the storm come, them remind the tree of worth. My plant me seed in the heart of child. Tell him be humble, don't walk wild. Jah light no blind, it teach you see. Your power lie in simplicity. Me no worry about tomorrow's pain. Me know life rise like morning rain. As long as roots stay strong and sound, love will always come around. The roots of tomorrow grow from today. Plant them deep where faith can stay. Roots of tomorrow, fire and rain. Bless the joy, purify the pain. Roots of tomorrow, sound and soul. Keep the circle warm. Ooh, oh. Me no need no crown, no throne. Me just want just see to be sown. Cause when me gone, me spirit stay in every root that find its way. Say I was here. Every breath, it's a story I've lived. Don't chase the light, my son, be the light. I've seen the sunrise on the poorest land. Still Jah give bread to the working hand. I've walked barefoot on the dust of shame. Still my the spirit of a Rasta man. Smoke of wisdom,
Carry me high,
through the mountain breeze and the open sky. Every breath I take,
set me free.
from Babylon walls to eternity. Smoke of wisdom,
Rise and roll,
feed my heart, refresh my soul. Every spark from this holy flame remind me, Jah, still call my name. I've seen the wicked rise then fade away, like dust and ash in the light of day. I've seen the young forget their past, chasing shadows that never last. I've seen brothers fall for the system's gold, trade their roots for what they've been told. But the earth still hums that ancient tune, one love still shines beneath the moon. Oh, yeah, oh. Smoke, rise, wisdom flow, time slow, river no, heart beat, pace slow, roots grow, just show. Now I sit by the fire of years gone by, watching the smoke paint truth in the sky. Each cloud a memory, each spark a prayer, each breath remind me just still there. My hands are old, but my soul's still strong, still humming that eternal song. And when my voice will fade in the wind, my words will live in the roots within. Smoke of wisdom,
carry me high,
through the mountain breeze and the open sky. Every breath I take,
set me free.
from Babylon walls to eternity. Let the youth know, wisdom don't shout it, whisper slow. Hey. Every man got a fire to grow. Stay humble, stay true, and let the smoke teach you. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. Say la, la, oh, say la, la, oh, yeah. Fire, it can destroy or heal, depend on how you hold it, my son. Some use it to burn, but the wise use it to see. Long time I walk in a cold and rain, I find the light through the pain. Fire teach me more than word, truth no need to be heard. Me see youth play with flame in vain, think them strong but them chase pain. Fire don't boast, it just glow, and the real ones learn slow. Every ember carry a story of fall, of rise, of glory. Fire no evil, fire no friend. It teach what you choose to make. the body sleep. Wisdom of fire, calm and true. Just spark still shining true. Me remember youth in Kingston Street, dancing barefoot, feeling the heat. Them think power come from flame, but power come from knowing name. They meet elders and a mango tree. Them say fire live in humility. No man can rule that blaze. It choose who it raise. Fire whisper, be still. Don't fight the burn, feel it will. In smoke me see my past, in glow me peace at last. Oh, oh. Me no fear the end, me no fear the flame. Me walk with truth, me know my name. Every spark me see remind, life and death intertwine. Me use fire for cook, for pray, for heal, for test what me really feel. In the night me sit and stare, Jah light everywhere.